While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH, which is the local cryptographic money in view of the stage. With decentralized finance (DeFi) turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported cryptographic forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. They highlight savvy contract usefulness as well as proposition a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchanges and exchanging with go-betweens involved. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is a high-level blockchain project and generally famous among cryptographic money fans for the most part because of its nodal position in the realm of digital currencies. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money, the whole peculiarity and crucial focal point of this digital currency is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from an advanced cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, and items, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage. As made sense of above, Ethereum empowers engineers to figure out and chip away at brilliant agreements, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Going through the different transformative phases and development techniques, the stage has stayed with its arrangement and items to reliably redesign the convention to guarantee further developed convenience, security, usefulness, and decentralization. Ethereum. The empirical rise. What makes Ethereum digital money a sought-after prize is because of its forecast in view of essential viewpoints. Here cash speed rises to the cost remainder. All amounts are characterized in government-issued money units, setting P equals 1 and M is determined by the quantity of digital currencies increased by the cost of single crypto, Q is how much worth being moved across the organization, and V's examination continues as before. Subsequently, this capacity chips away at the vitally base system that digital currency is conversely corresponding to its speed. Another famous majority that administers this stage is obtained from NVT ratio, which is determined as market cap daily Ethereum cost being executed on the organization. Subsequently, the higher the NVT, the higher the cost of Ether crypto. The Ethereum framework. Right now, most activities depend on Ethereum as a public blockchain, which awards admittance to a bigger crowd of clients, money, hubs, and markets. Notwithstanding, there are many times motivations to lean toward a consortium or private blockchain. For instance, organizations in the financial area are viewing Ethereum as a stage for their private blockchains. Indeed, even Ethereum has been used for some underlying coin offering occasions. Public blockchains. These are completely decentralized and gotten utilizing proof of work or proof of stake calculations, following a typical rule that how much somebody can impact the agreement interaction is corresponding to the quantity of financial assets that they can bring to bear. Consortium blockchains. These are to some degree decentralized where a bunch of hubs controls the interaction. For instance, one could envision a consortium of 15 monetary establishments, every one of which works a hub, and of which 10 should sign each block for the block to be legitimate. Private blockchains. A private blockchain is unified to one association for compassing authorizations. Peru's authorizations might be public or confined to an inconsistent degree. Possible applications incorporate information base administration, examining, and so forth, inward to a solitary organization. So broad comprehensibility may not be fundamental as a rule, however open auditability is wanted in different cases. All above add to the general Ether environment by putting resources into Ethereum programming advancement. After some time, this converts into programming upgrades, shared information, and open positions. Ethereum price chart. Most cryptographic money faces instability in an unpredicted way that goes with the speculation choice and altcoins seriously testing. According to the Ethereum cost gauge, the ETH cost exhibited an excellent execution last year and enrolled a record-breaking high of $4,891.70 in November. Afterward, ETH digital currency confronted enormous negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell beneath $2,500. Despite the fact that ETH digital currency saw a fall as of late, it had followed the recuperation way according to conjectures. According to past news, ETH United States dollar is by all accounts finishing this year certainly as a major bull, hustling to the number one situation in the venture market. Somewhat recently, Ethereum has brought financial backers huge returns before the beginning of another year. According to Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for venture contrasted with Bitcoin and for brokers who can exploit these cost swings for the short and long haul. Ethereum Price Prediction 2022, the new fresh insight about European investment bank's $121 million advanced bond with the Ethereum network, assisted the Ethereum, with estimating developed dramatically. As of late, ETH confronted a sharp decay in the wake of hitting an untouched high at $4,891.70, yet later, it recovered the lost energy and crossed the $3,000 cost mark. According to the ongoing cost force, Ethereum could cross $4,000 toward the finish of 2022. Having seen a monstrous DApp reception that drove the value activity of ETH crypto. Additionally, an update called ETH 2.0 has been sent off in stages, which is a further augmentation of ETH. According to our estimates, this will push the organization's versatility to 100,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain from energy-concentrated POW to POS. The organization is really well known, with various undertakings based on it. Will Ethereum go up in 2022? All that matters is the way the mass reception of savvy contracts occurs. This will be a critical administering component to make Ethereum costs go up. Without a doubt that will occur, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. Might Ethereum at any point make you rich? 100%. According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this positive thinking. ETH can end up being an important speculation and maintainable type of revenue, gave you plan all your venture choices shrewdly and decisively. As an excavator or standard financial backer of the money, the ETH value pattern can demonstrate a feasible interest in the drawn out, as far as conversion scale is steam. There is no demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly, yet putting resources into ETH can demonstrate advantageous. Will Ethereum 2.0 supplant Ethereum? Likewise called Serenity, Ethereum 2.0 is the augmentation of Ethereum with added elements to further develop usefulness and various costs. It is next in line for upgradation in the Ethereum blockchain. Set to be delivered soon, it will have a progressive and steady stage, wise disclosing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and agreeableness. Who possesses the most ETH? Organizer behind Swiss organization ETHSwiss, Joseph Lubin, is a renowned industrialist and a sought-after holder of most extreme ETH, as high as $10 billion speculation. Is Ethereum what's in store? ETH may be the future as it is quick to accompany shrewd agreements or documentation without human intercession. Could Ethereum contracts pull information utilizing outsider APIs? No, ETH contracts can't pull information from outside data sources along these lines. It is, nonetheless, conceivable to push information from the outer site, e.g., weather conditions, destinations, stock costs, to Ethereum contracts through exchanges. There are profit administrations viable with the Ethereum network that will push information to the Ethereum network for a charge. Is the substance of the information and agreement sent over